Jo. Hej.
Det gør jeg ikke. Skal vi stille den et andet sted?
Ja, jeg skal nok holde den.
Okay.
Hej.
Hej.
Hello.
Hello.
Haha. Smell like poo.
No.
We have a special guest today.
It's Justin Bieber!
No, it's actually not Justin Bieber.
No, it's Stephanie Friborg!
Stephanie Freiburg! Say hi. Hello. Hi, you two. Say hi.
Fine. Find some Justin Bieber music. Music on my phone. Okay, today we are gonna talk about... What are we gonna talk about?
We're going to talk about our school project for tomorrow.
No, not about school. School sucks.
You suck.
We are gonna talk about...
6.
6.
8.
No,
we talked about...
that we have talked about. That they have to use condom. And anyway, again, use a condom.
Use a...
Fucking condom.
Fucking condom. No, we are going to talk about cigarettes.
Ooh.
We are not smoking. Seriously, we are not smoking.
Especially like this chick. Never. You know.
Okay, we don't choose that subject anyway.
We're just going to alcohol. You have to be
16
to buy alcohol here, where in the States you have to be 21.
Yes.
Det er som sådan en fucking mammut eller sådan noget.
Yeah, and that's just was...
That's just was.
Yeah, that just was, yes, a butthole. Hey, we are very glad that there are so many people.
Views. We have so many views. We started this channel like 2 days ago. 3.
Yeah,
and we already have 516 channel views.
Woo! You guys, keep watching
And keep commenting
and keep following us on Twitter.
yeah.
Stalker.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, we have forgot our paper where our Twitter names are on. So-
Our Twitter name is in our description box on our profile
On our channel, yes.
on our channel. So go
And
there.
also our YouTube's accounts, our real or our both of ours. Yes. So people, yeah, we have to think about another subject. So we made a new video in few minutes, so you can see this immense. Hvordan siger man imens? Yeah. Bye.
Bye bye. Don't fucking do that.